Say goodbye to large batches and cleanup with this easy sugar cookie recipe. Feel free to add your favorite milk, and this recipe is also egg-free. Made in 1 minute and tastes just like a sugar cookie made in the oven, this quick one-bowl recipe is perfect. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. In a medium microwave safe bowl, melt 1½ tablespoons of butter. Add 1½ tablespoons of granulated sugar and mix until combined. Add a half of a tablespoon of milk, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 5 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour, 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Mix together until the ingredients are completely combined. It may look like too much flour has been added, but do not add any more milk. I promise it will come together. Scrape down the bowl and get any remaining mixture mixed into the dough. Gather the dough and roll in shape into a ball. Lay the dough on a small piece of parchment paper and continue to shape the dough, gently flattening it out just a little bit. This step is completely optional, but feel free to add sprinkles to the top of the sugar cookie and carefully spread them out with your fingers. If you don't have any sprinkles, the sugar cookie will still taste great without them. Microwave the sugar cookie for around 55 seconds to 1 minute and be careful when removing from the microwave since the cookie will be extremely soft. Let the sugar cookie cool for around 5 minutes before eating. This 1-minute sugar cookie is the perfect snack size or to share with someone. If you love cookies, check out other microwave cookie recipes in the link above or the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. Come back soon to bake more good things.